Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Google Analytics account in a WordPress website using a free plugin. The name of the plugin is HT Easy GA4 Google Analytics WordPress plugin. Using this plugin, you can connect your WordPress website with Google Analytics. You will see all the data inside your WordPress dashboard. So you don't need to go to Google Analytics account and look for all the data. All the data will be shown inside your WordPress dashboard. This plugin has a free as well as a premium version. So I'm going to start with the free plugin and later I'm going to install the pro version of the plugin and I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the pro plugin. This is how the data will look if you're running e-commerce website using WooCommerce plugin. Then you can track the performance of your e-commerce store. How many transactions are there, what is the total revenue, which products are performing well, and how many products are added to the carts. There are many different features available in the pro version of the plugin. Here you will see some features: login with Google, WooCommerce integration, e-commerce events, standard and e-commerce reports, WordPress dashboard report access, custom time period reports, chart comparison over time periods. If you are running affiliate program on your website, you can also track affiliate link performance. The pro version of this plugin will cost you $99 per year for 5 different websites. So you can install this plugin on 5 different websites. If you want, you can also try it for half a year, which will cost you $59 for 5 different websites. You will also get 1 year update and 1 year support. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So let's see how we can integrate Google Analytics in a WordPress website using a free plugin. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WordPress website that I created as an experiment. I just wanted to see how to create an online tools website in WordPress. Now I'm going to integrate Google Analytics on this WordPress website using a free plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for HT Easy GA4. This is the plugin, HT Easy GA4 Google Analytics WordPress plugin. Click on install now. This is the free version of the plugin. Later I'm going to install the pro version also. Click on activate. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel, you will see the option HT Easy GA4. Click on it. And you will be on the dashboard of this plugin. At the top, you will see 4 different tabs: settings, standard report, e-commerce report, and real-time reports. These 2 options are available in the pro version only. On the settings under general, you will see an option to connect your Google Analytics account with your website. For that, you will need to log in to your Google account. To access analytical reports within your WordPress dashboard, you need to connect or authenticate with your Google Analytics account. If you don't need to access the reports within the dashboard, then you can manually insert your GA4 tracking ID below. Before connecting your Google Analytics account, you need to set up Google Analytics for the website. I have already created an account on Google Analytics for this website. You will see it here. Now I'm going to integrate the same account on WordPress dashboard so that I don't need to go to the Google Analytics and search for the report. I can access the analytics on the WordPress dashboard itself. So click on sign in with your Google Analytics account. You need to select the account where you have this website added. So I'm going to select the account and click on continue. Here you will see a message: Google will allow has themes to access this info about you. Click on continue. And here you will see an option: see what has theme can access, see and download your Google Analytics data. Here you need to check these options so that the plugin will be able to download the Google Analytics data. Click on continue. It is now connecting. Alright, so the Google Analytics account is connected and here you will see an option: select account. You may have multiple accounts in your Google Analytics, so you will need to select an account. If I click on it, you will see all the accounts that you already have there. So I'm going to select the account and after that I'm going to select the property. So this is the property under this account, and again you can click on data stream and select the data stream. Alright, so I have selected the account, property and data stream, and you will see the tracking ID is already there. Exclude tracking for administrator. You will see other options are there. I'm going to keep it as it is. server-side tracking. When enabled, events will be sent directly from your server to Google Analytics 4 using the measurement protocol API. If you want, you can enable this option. I'm going to click on Save Changes. Let's go to the next option, Events Tracking. Under Events Tracking, you will see eCommerce events. If you have e-commerce website created using WooCommerce plugin, you can track all the events using the WooCommerce plugin. On this demo website, I do not have WooCommerce installed. However, if you have WooCommerce website, you can track the following events: view products, view category, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase. This option is available for the Pro version only. Video events and audio events are available for the Pro version. Basically, events tracking option is available in the Pro version only. Then we have custom events, example contact form submission or PDF documents download. Then we have Google Ads. If you are running ads on your website, you can track the performance of the Google Ads also. For that, you will need to enable Google Ads tracking. Enter the conversion ID, add conversion label. After that, you can test and verify. So these are the basic steps to enable the Google Ads tracking. GDPR notice, you can enable or disable the GDPR notice on your website. Then we have tools. These are the tools. Enable GA4 inspector. It shows a debug panel on your website that displays which GA4 measurement IDs are present. I'm not going to go through all these settings. Let's go to cache. And if you want to cache the data, you can click on clear cache and it will clear all the cache data. Let's go to standard report. And now you will see the standard report here. How many sessions are there? You will also see page views. Bounce rate is 74%, which is not a good one. Which pages are getting clicks? You will see list of all the pages. Top referrer. Under top referrers, you will see direct traffic, Google traffic, and chatgpt.com traffic. And this is the list of top countries from where you are getting clicks to your website. You will see all the data on the WordPress dashboard itself. User types, 97% users are new users and 3% users are returning users. Here you will see device types, mostly getting clicks from desktop. So you will see all the data here. Here you will see sync option. If you want to sync the data, you can click on sync and it is going to refresh the data. Data is cached for 1 hour. Here you will see the dates for which you want to see the data, and you will see some presets also: today, yesterday, last month, last 12 months, last 30 days, 90 days. Let's select 90 days, update it, and you will see the data for the last 90 days. Again, if you go here, this is for e-commerce, and for that you need Pro version. And for the real-time reports also, you will need the Pro version of this plugin. I do have the Pro version of this plugin, so I'm going to install the Pro plugin. Let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. I have it downloaded, so I'm going to upload the plugin. If I go to website here, you will see this is the website from where you can get the Pro version of the plugin. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. So let's go back. I'm going to upload the plugin. Click on browse and browse the Pro version. Click on install now. Click on activate plugin. In the left hand panel, go to HT Easy GA4 and go to license info. When you buy this plugin, you will get the license key. You will need to enter the license key and the email address. All right, I have entered the email address and the license key. Click on activate and the Pro version is now activated. Let's go to settings again. Let's go to events tracking. Now here we do not have a WooCommerce plugin installed on this website. However, if you have WooCommerce installed, then you can track the performance of all these events. View product, it is going to track when the visitor visits a product details page. Same thing for the category. Add to cart, it is going to fire the add to cart event when a visitor adds a product to their cart. Initiate checkout, fire the initiate checkout event when a user starts a checkout. So all these options are available in the Pro version. If you have a video on your website, you can track the performance of the video. This is for Vimeo video and the self-hosted video. Same thing for audio events. All right, let's go to custom events. Again, you can create a custom event here. From here, you can enable or disable the form submission event. Same thing for PDF document downloads. If you have PDF files on your website that user can download, then you can enable or disable that event from here. Right now, let's go to e-commerce report. Under e-commerce report, again it is going to show all the reports related to your WooCommerce plugin. You will see it here, transactions, how many transactions are there, average purchase revenue is there, total purchase revenue, then products viewed, how many products are viewed, products added to cart, products checkout, and products purchased, top products, top brands, and top sources. So definitely if you are running e-commerce website using WooCommerce plugin, this report is going to help you a lot. Next to that, you will see real-time report. Let's go to real-time report. And here you will see the real-time data, page views per minute. Currently there is one active user on the website, and top pages, free online image resizer is the recent top page. Then we have top event, and top country is India. If you want, you can also refresh it from here. So if you want to integrate your Google Analytics account in a WordPress website, you can try using the free plugin HT Easy GA4. If you are running e-commerce website and if you want more advanced features, you can go for the pro version of this plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.